This is Sunday afternoon's Kids Fun Bucket Hat. We bought it last year and my son wearing it all the time. We like this hat because it's made of good material. I don't know if it's reduced any sunlight, but my son said he wearing it is very comfortable. And you see here, it's actually let the air flow. So the kids is not going to be like very sweaty, because usually if he feels too hot, he will take that off. But for this one, he can wear it for a long time. And it got some adjustables like here. If your kids is a little small, you can adjust it, or you can leave it like this. And the edge is made of something stiffened in here. So if the kids wearing the hat, so all the outside ring will be opened up. Let's look inside. Here will absorb some sweat, and this is for safety, secure whatever. If the heavy wind, you can let it loose, or you just can pull it up. And I think the color is great for boys. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.